Hey, welcome to our clock tutorial. Today we are going to make this clock using this resin insert sheets by iCraft. They are so amazing and versatile. So let's see how we can use them on the clock. So first you will need these two sheets, resin hardener, white chalk paint to cover the base, clock dial, clock machine and clock hands, and one MDF base for the clock. First we will start painting the chalk base with the chalk paint. Here I have taken white coconut milk, and that's so amazing shades which stands out very well on the resin. So we'll cover with the paint entire surface evenly and a neat finish. Meanwhile it's getting dried, we'll start cutting our resin insert sheets, each and every flower, and we'll do the fussy cutting with the neat outline. You need to cut all two sheets. Cut them nicely with the border. After cutting all the flowers, we will start designing them on a clock base. Half sheet we will be placing it on the clock with the flat surface. So I started with the big flower to small medium flowers and sticking with the fabric glue. You can use any adhesive. This sticking we are just doing for the proper placement. Later on top we are going to do the resin, so any which way this will stay very well. So right now just with the temporary glue you can stick them and design the way you want your clock. So I'm just doing it on one side of this clock as it's gonna look very beautiful. Adding some leaves, flowers. So here my final arrangement is ready, and we'll just check with the clock dial how it's looking. And this is looking so beautiful. So now it's time to add the resin. First we will take the clear resin on the flower. Straight away you can pour your clear resin on the flowers. Now we'll take the resin with the white pigment. So this is a pearl white inside the resin, and doing a combination of a clear and a pearl white, and we'll blend them and pour them equally on entire clock. And now add it with some gold lines and some glitter on it to give a beautiful look. And here after final arrangement I'm adding some pearls and beads. This is an absolutely optional process. And my flat floral resin clock is ready. Now we're gonna give them 3D look by embossing the flowers. So for the leftover flowers, we'll give a deep cut each and every petal with the scissor till the center. After giving a deep cut, we will start embossing. For that we will need a tea light candle where you can place your flimsy resin insert sheets on top and emboss with your ball tools on any soft sponge. Here we will need a embossing pad as well as. So we will do one by one each and every petal, and from the center we will do the center molding. Keep some safe distance from the candle. After doing a 3D arrangement, we can add some accessories like a pearl beads to make it more beautiful. So I'm adding a white pearl. After doing this to all the flowers which is left over, we will place them on the resin clock. This is what I'm doing when my resin clock is semi-dry, so that I don't have to use any adhesive. It will stick on the resin. And on the same flower, I'm doing a placement of an embossed flower. Because our resin is semi-dry, this will get stick. And this is how we will do some leaves and small and big flowers and give a beautiful 3D floral look. So here my 3D clock is completely ready and these flowers are looking, voila, it's just looking so beautiful. So we have not embossed each and every flower, just a few of them, and after drying we're gonna add some machines, and this is how I've created some nameplate also and some mantra frames.